So the first engagement with Sigma is usually a lot of fun, and we sit down and just try and help you figure out what you need done and where we can help. How do we start to understand? We ask a lot of questions. And the questions usually revolve around, what do you need it to do? What does it look like? How does it function? How does it feel?
We would typically start with a quick discussion between you and me, because that helps me to understand what disciplines need to participate in the bigger discussion.
What we try to do is be very intentional up front with the introduction of subject matter experts to identify and understand the project and the customer's needs.
Sometimes we'll figure out some specifics up front, and sometimes we'll need to really dive in with the engineering team with what we call kind of a phase 0 or an initial project architecture phase.
That's what distinguishes us from others. We do take the time to dive into the information.
By investing that time up front, it helps build that trust, which I think is critical to the success of any project. Then we hope that translates further downstream into project success as we kick things off.
So many of the things that we help develop and help customers work through really work around the if this then that concept. Because if they need it to do this, then we have options A and B to do that. And it just continually works down, and it's kind of a function funnel that we keep chipping away at what we need. And then from there we can iterate.
And we'll continue to iterate that throughout frequent communication, frequent touch points, and being able to refine that, until we can nail down what it is throughout the quote stage and ultimately through the development stage. As you learn a little bit more at every single step of the process.
One of the things that's really unique about Sigma Design is your business is your business. It is your IP, and you retain all of the things that we build or develop on your behalf.
I think a lot of it is pointing to prior art. Past projects that we've done, Sigma has a huge depth and breadth of knowledge. We can understand what it is you're trying to solve and demonstrate that we get it.
If anything pops to your mind, just ask. More than likely, our answer will be yes, we can help you with that.